How to add status on Botim app. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add status on your Botim application. And then how do you do this? The first thing to do is to log in into your Botim application by opening up the app on your mobile device. And then once you've opened up the app, you're brought to the course page or any of the page depending on the last thing you did on the Botim app. So wherever you find yourself, just navigate through to the me page by clicking on the me icon at the lower right corner of the screen. Then once you click on the me icon, you'll be taken to the me page where you'd see accounts, chat and calls, notifications, usage, Botim desktop, about, tell a friend. Okay, so just go ahead and click on your profile picture. It's at the top right corner of the screen. Let's go back again. Now click on it. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be taken to your profile page where you see your profile picture, the name, the phone number, and then status. That is our focus in this tutorial. So just click on status. Once you've clicked on it, you'll see your current status, and then here you'll be asked to select another status. So you can just select any of the one here in order to add it to your account. So you can just add, for example, in a meeting, and it just like that, it has been changed. Okay, and then you can go back and you can see that it is now displaying in a meeting. So it's that simple. Okay, so this is how you can add status on your Botim app. So go ahead and try it out now. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.